Hello everyone, in this lecture we'll discuss the implementation of bubble sort. So what we discussed last time was in the last video that we will have two loops. The first loop will repeat some process, so that process will go on n minus 1 times. In every such iteration, what we will do, we will pick the element at the front and it will push it towards the end of the array, okay, or to the suitable position where it can fit. So we can say for int times equal to 1 times less than equal to n minus 1 times plus plus, okay, and every time what we need to do, we need to do repeated swapping and we need to push the element in the right direction, okay. So do repeated swapping. So for that we said we will take a variable j that goes from 0, and for the first iteration what it is going to do, okay, so what we discussed was, let's say we have a 5 here, 5 4 3 2 1. So what we will do, we'll make comparison with 5 and 4. It will become like 4 5 3 2 1, and then we will compare 5 and 3. It will become 4 5 4 3 5 2 1. Then we'll compare these two. It will become 4 3 2 5 and 1. Then we will compare these two, okay. So if you have n elements which are not sorted, okay, then you only need to go till the index n minus 2, okay. This is the n minus 2th index, this is the n minus 1th index. So when the value of times is 1, we effectively want to go till n minus 2, so that means j should be less than equal to n minus times minus 1, okay. And we can say j plus plus, and since we have generalized this will work for all the iterations, okay. So we can check if the current element, that is aj, if it is greater than the next element aj plus 1, then we are going to swap them. So we can say swap aj and aj plus 1. That's it. And this is how we can do bubble sort, okay. That's it, that's the entire algorithm, and we are just going to repeat this work n minus 1 times, okay. Repeat this work n minus 1 times and you will end up getting a sorted array as we discussed. Now let us try to print all the elements of this array, okay. So we can see out arr and maybe followed by a comma, build the code, okay. This should be a, let's make this as a, and this is for sorry, this should be void, okay. And we are done. So now if I run bubble sort here, sorry, this should be x, and now if I run bubble sort here, and you can see we are getting this minus 12 minus 2 minus 1 1 3 3 4 5 6. We are getting all the elements in the right order, and we also have repeating elements, negative elements. Everything is working just fine, okay. So I hope this code is clear, and now we will discuss the next sorting algorithms in the next lecture.